Welcome to Two Eyes, Let's See. I am one of your co hosts, Erica.
And I'm one of your co-hosts, Venus.
And tonight's episode 6.
Woo, woo, woo.
That was good. I don't know about that.
Boo. That sounds like I'm booing.
It does.
I don't know. Cue sound.
Tonight's episode is social media / AI.
Yes.
What made you choose this topic?
Well, two reasons. First one is I've noticed myself endlessly strolling on social media before I go to bed and what it does to my mental. Second, I noticed on social media from strolling the effects of AI. The topic of, taking people's lights, images, and what AI is doing, and really getting confused on what's happening on social media of what's real and what's not.
Oh, yes. Yes, I do come across that. You don't really know what to believe on social media anymore, especially when it comes to images.
Yeah. I mean,
I use AI. Specify AI. What is AI? Are we talking about like
artificial insemination?
Intelligence?
Artificial insemination. What is it?
But no, not artificial insemination. Artificial intelligence.
Right. So
like Copilot,
ChatGPT. We use Copilot. We're Microsoft users.
Mm-hmm.
And
I use ChatGPT.
I
use Copilot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm Copilot. ChatGPT. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Yeah. And now they're formulating videos. And now on my video news feeds, I'm getting like these videos of now it's no trainers anymore. Now it's AI. Do this. And I'm like, this is so not a real person. And I'm just like, okay. So now we're just using AI to do our marketing now. So now like it's just all AI marketing, which doesn't appeal to me. I'm not buying it. It makes me turn the other way, but maybe it brings in other people. I don't know what's the data behind it, but it doesn't draw me in.
Is that because of your profession?
No, I'm just saying marketing in general that has anything like a marketing with AI. I'm okay with like animation because that is AI. But when it starts to emulate of people and make it look like people or but I have seen like cool videos where it's like it draws you in because it looks like it's real, like somebody falling and somebody get eaten by an alligator or like somebody get
so is that
something
more marketing, or is that like, so going back to like someone, a trainer, I guess, is that marketing, or now are we so deep into AI, it's now your trainer is an animation?
What is the question?
Is it more, so what you're referring to, is it more marketing? Is it AI marketing, or has it surpassed marketing and now
AI is by the AI? Yeah, I think both.
Oh.
And you know what? I'll be really honest. Doing training for my distance, because I'm a distance runner now. And something new. So I did co-pilot some workouts for myself. Actually got hurt. Actually,
from the training plan.
I don't know if it was from the training plan, but I do realize that my innate knowledge of my body and how to fine tune things for what I need works better. I think having a general idea of things to do, yeah, Copilot, Chat GPT, and things like that, that's great. But if you really want someone or like somebody who actually has deep knowledge and experience with working with your body, you have to do personal like interaction. All they're doing, yeah, an actual human. All AI is doing, or any bot, is just gathering information that's already there. But what they don't have is information about an individual person. Like they say, well, if you talk to them enough, but they still don't know the intricacies of human interaction. Like that cannot be duplicated. So like trying to base marketing or try to like learn or get your diet. Yeah, you can go and Google any broad based things. It's going to give you those things, but also you also have to understand your individual self to start to implement it into your life or to your body system, because the computer is not going to work. And I've learned that just from my own right. Right. I think
using it for, I guess, from a physical, well, I guess any aspect.
Well, yeah, because like it doesn't diagnose anything right. like that. All it does is gather information that's already on the internet, and it gives you a summary.
This plan,
right? This distance plan.
Microsoft Copilot.
Mm-hmm.
Did you follow that exactly?
I did.
And is that how you hurt yourself, or was it more like you just mentioned, not listening to your own body?
I was more not listening to my own body.
Which people do. Mm-hmm. I've seen on social media some people using like Chat GPT, Microsoft Copilot. I'm sure there are other ones as actual therapists instead of speaking with the real human, because like you said, they are inputting all this information into this computer software program,
mm-hmm.
and it's the algorithm. It's just
right.
It's basically giving you back a mix of everything you just put into it.
Right, and you have to ask it a certain question mm-hmm. for it to get. Yes, it's Google on steroids. Yeah, I think it is very much. I think it's useful. Mm-hmm. Yeah. For sure.
Use it for marketing. I use it for marketing ideas all the time, and then I
like brainstorming ideas. Like, oh, I got this idea. What you think? And then it brings you, multiple things. Yeah,
recipes, even stuff around the house. I've taken pictures. Mm-hmm. That's mind blowing to me, considering I'm not really tech savvy. And where we were,
yes, you are.
At least 5 or 10 years ago.
You're on your phone all the time.
That's just Brad. That has nothing to do with being tech savvy. I put in take a picture of something, and it gives me a ton of ideas. So I think it's useful. I think maybe a lot of people, society does not know where to draw the line of that balance.
Yeah, I was just watching The Breakfast Club. Shout out to The Breakfast Club. And they were talking about, Lauren was talking about how they were taking MLK, Tupac, and all these like people who are already dead and creating videos of them doing like typical day-to-day stuff and then sending it to their loved ones. Yeah.
I saw something like that.
Yeah, and it's like, okay, now this is getting out of control. Now that's getting out of hand, where you're like actually taking humans, that's what I'm saying, humans, and trying to market it as a human. That's why that's what I don't like to see.
It's blurring the line of common sense.
Yeah. It's like, come on now.
But now diving into social media. I love the topic of social media. Only because, well, what about social media? What do you want to talk about with social media? Because I can go on a tangent with social media.
Go ahead.
So, social media. I am for it but mostly against it. I think,
Don't.
or question mark, what is she talking about? This is going on some type of social media platform, right?
Yes.
I am for it and against it. I don't think children of a certain age should be on it. I don't think people should post their kids. I know not too long ago, you and I had a conversation of when it comes to social media, and one partner likes to post often. I won't say a lot, but
Not
a
often, but
lot.
a lot compared to zero. So,
Yes, to none. How do you find that balance in a relationship?
mm-hmm.
How do you, I mean, I think a lot goes into that, like respect, boundaries, um, being heard and understood.
Mm-hmm.
I've actually come across a lot of couples online who their partners don't want to be posted at all, or, it's getting permission, so to speak.
Mm-hmm.
I am not one that likes to be posted. But
So you saying I don't respect your your wishes? Is this a therapy session? You got something to say to me?
I've already said it 100 times over.
What?
Now it's,
You want me to take you down?
are you
I'm not listening.
listening?
Do you-
Because obviously I can say it to
Do you
a
want me-
woman face. No, I'm
Would
just
you like me to
explaining.
take you down from my social media?
That sounds. No, I'm just voicing my stance on social media.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
And why do you
appreciate-
stand like you stand? Like, can you explain?
Because I think a lot of things should be private. I think social media has gotten out of hand. Um, I don't think, there are so many crazy people out there who can find out so much about you. People are constantly, it's like with AI, you have a good majority of society who doesn't know where to draw the line of what and when and how they're posting about their personal lives.
Okay.
And me, I like to be personal.
You like to be personal?
Yes, as far as I'm not putting my personal life on social media. I don't even talk about my personal life at work.
You don't even talk about your personal life.
Yeah, I am very much
Locked on. I'm a vault baby locked on.
even my mother has said
I'm a vault baby locked on.
has said I'm more.
Oh, you know what that was on?
What?
Hitch.
Oh.
He was drinking. He's like, I can bet you I can get anything out of you. I'm a vault baby locked on. He was drunk off of the.
That is me.
Just give her a little Benadryl. See what happens.
Yeah.
But what was you saying? Even your mother says.
Well, even my mother has said I'm more old school than her because she'll be talking about things on social media, and I'm like, what?
Okay. My stance on it is I'm actually am a private person. Which it is. To me, I'm a private person to a certain extent. Like, I let people in at increments where, like, okay, yeah, you've already shared, and then I'm okay with sharing, and then it's like that. But I'm not like a on social media, I share certain things. I share things that I feel will bring joy to people or bring some type of insight or some type of motivation, something that I learned that I want to share, things that I love and things like that. So it's just a space of giving my growth or giving my love or things that I love. So, you know, I do post my wife on occasions, not all the time. I don't even post myself all the time. My child, she loves to be posted. She ever since she wants it, so I do post it, but it is limited to people who are already my friends. So and then most of the people who do get to see it are the people who, they seen Lil Madison grow up. Oh, look at Madison. I saw her on such, it's almost like a newsletter of what's happening. From definitely being in the Madison community and being a semi-local celebrity, or people have seen my growth, seen the business growing, seeing my daughter grow, seeing the things that I went through, and seeing me not everybody knows the ins and out of what I went through, but just seeing like the hustle, seeing the growth, and seeing yeah. So a lot of people kind of feel like they're part of that journey because they watch me grow into the Venus Inspires, watching the Madison Elite brand grow, watching, over time how things have, overflowed. So it is very much of that part, but like my intimate, I don't know. I feel like this is more intimate now, us talking and sharing the podcast, or even talking more, probably more, a lot more than people have even experienced.
What's intimate? Because I actually went to your Instagram and found some intimate, I guess to me,
it was too much
photos, because I was looking for another photo.
Oh, I did put one photo recently, not too long ago, when I showed my stomach.
Okay.
That one. What? Oh yeah, and I did. Okay, I do have moments that I do share of something that I love.
Just saying, be honest.
Okay, I guess I don't know, whatever I feel most comfortable with. But it's not everything. And I don't feel obligated to post everything. I guess that's where I am. So it's like, yes, I do post, but I don't feel obligated to post everything. Like, it's a lot of things that, yeah, sometimes I even forget. Me and just saw one of my good friends that I haven't seen in years. And then we were just like, dang, we didn't even take a picture. And it was like, because we were in the moment. We was in the moment. We enjoyed each other. We just showed up for each other. It was a great moment, but it would have been great to have the picture, because it's like, oh yeah, you remember, we can go back and look at it, but we just was in the moment.
And see, for me, that is what I miss. You know how there are some people who don't text them, call them, and then there are others who are like, don't call me, just text me. I don't like talking on the phone. I don't like texting. I'm more, if I want to catch up with you, I'm probably going to call you. I don't want to have to go to Facebook and scroll and wonder what you're up to.
Yeah, you know what? I feel you on that.
If it's genuine, if it's sincere, why won't I just call you?
I feel you on that. I definitely agree, for sure. If I have your number in my phone, do not Facebook stalk me. Exactly. Do not like, you can maybe, like, if you don't got time, you're like, okay, I just want to see what's happening. But eventually you need to get to the point where you hit me up and saying, hey, how's it going? Cause yeah, like if I get to a point where I'm like looking at a friend's page, I usually send them a text like, hey, I was just thinking about you. How you doing?
Yeah. Like
or something
what
like
have
that.
you been up to? Other than what you're posting?
Yeah.
The internet is not real. Social media.
It's not real. That's why I said I always post the things that I like and I love. Like I'm not telling everything.
Exactly. And you never know what someone is actually going through outside of what they're posting.
Yeah. But I remember when I first was posting all the time, it was really to get traction for my business and really for people to, like, love me and want to endorse me on Facebook. And I remember it being a healing practice too. So I can understand why I see a lot of people like, posting. It's almost like a self-reflection of I am being present by having to write something or write this post of something as I'm reflecting back of what's going on. So I don't really judge people who are like posting their life. It could be something going on in their life where they're trying to figure something out, to self-reflect as a journal almost. And like the more we share, I always used to say sharing is caring. The more we share our stories, the more we all can see each other more clearly and actually be more connected. So I think that's what social media can do, but it can become a showman's too, where it's like, oh, I got all these likes. Oh, how did you get consumed by the post, and not actually the self-reflection part of what I was just saying.
Yeah, and then a lot of people become more invested in the posting and the attention grabbing.
Right. Yeah.
I guess what it should be used for.
Right. And not, using it for self-reflection. Maybe this was a time of self-reflection where it's like, this is something that really resonated with me internally and I'm sharing this out to the world. Would be beautiful, but people go to the extreme. Yeah.
But I will say one thing that social media is good for is celebrity drama. The recent
oh my God, what?
Cardi B and what's her name?
Nicki Minaj
drama. And see, this is where I say
that's Twitter. Were they on Twitter? X?
I don't know, because I'm not on Twitter or
Threads?
X or Snapchat or.
Where did you read
TikTok.
it?
I read it through someone else on Threads.
Oh. So
I'm only on 2 social media platforms, and that gives me enough anxiety to where I put a limit on it. Have a limit set. But yeah, celebrity drama. It's just amazing, and that's where I go back to how much people are either shaming each other or just you're arguing with someone from your phone.
Yeah. And then a lot of people like to say negative things just to get a reaction.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm gonna say something bad just to get your reaction, so you can say something back. It's like just so people can engage. Like, ooh, this is. With the little memes.
Yeah.
I'm just here for for the show. I mean, we entertain ourselves. We're entertaining. I don't know. We're fascinated with our shortcomings.
We are. But I do wonder, where we would be as a society even in 2025 if we did not have social media. Would we all actually spend more time outside touching grass? Would we be reading more? Would we actually be building these communities that we talk about building online?
I mean, I think people are reading and people are building communities. I think
Where they at? 'Cause I ain't seen
you
none.
on social media. That's why, because you scrolling.
So is everyone else.
I'm building communities, so I don't know. So I think it is happening, and people are seeking it out. And sometimes you find it through social media. You find your community on social media. Like,
That is true. And I guess to
don't you have a community on social
I
media?
do. It was completely unexpected. I didn't think I would.
Okay.
I didn't. I was asked to join in the WNBA community. It was created by somebody. I joined, and now we're sending each other gifts.
So there you have it.
Yeah.
So
My gift is coming. I'm waiting to send out my gift to my new friend. I guess it's
right.
yeah.
So all that to say is, so what's the
It has its good and bad.
yeah.
Social media, AI. I think it should all be used in balance.
Yes. Yes. And not as a way of avoiding what is,
Yes.
like what is actually happening presently, and not doing something just for likes, but doing things for you to like internally within yourself. Yeah. And I think people can lose sight of that because, especially as the kids growing up, you think about the kids. The kids are might think that, oh, I'm only liked. I didn't get any likes on social media, but it's like that's not real.
That's true.
Or they talked about me on social media. It's like they just looking for attention too. So they just yeah. But they could do that in person too. I'm sure.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Especially these kids today.
Yeah. So what's your takeaway about AI and social media?
Use it sparingly. Use it for positive benefit. Still take some time out. Go outside and build your community. Still go outside, take a walk, get some sunshine, touch the grass. Pick up the phone and call people. Yeah.
Yeah, I concur. I think use it as a tool. Use it as a chance. Like you can use it for self-reflection. There are great information for you to consume, and don't try to consume it all at once. Like take small chunks of it and not try to consume it all day long. Nothing good comes from just strolling all day long. I'm saying this to you to say it to me, to say that I am not perfect at this at all. But I see what it can do. It has done to me if I'm strolling all day. I feel the anxiety creeping up. I feel the depression because I'm constantly avoiding and consuming, taking in all of this information that's not necessary, where I need to learn how to use my senses while being into nature and being present with, my loved ones and not turned off so much so that my brain is just
fried
or not functioning. I don't even know how to use it because I'm just taking in information. So yeah, use nature as a networking tool.
There you go.
Yeah, and AI. Don't be taking other people's faces. Don't
use that. Let the dead rest. Leave them be.
Yeah. Hey, when we were trying to do our logo thing, and then we had AI try to make our faces. Don't do that. We just used our faces.
Yeah, show some respect for the loved ones. Don't do that. and the deceased. Come on.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Let it lay. Yeah. Let them, speak to their spirit. You don't need to create anything more than that. But yeah.
Send us out.
So thank you for joining us with our podcast, Two Eyes Let's See, us diving into social media and AI. So keep it peaceful, and we'll see y'all at the next video.